I like to go camping, boating, anywhere outdoors that I don't have electric and I need to have some power, or if I want to run my camera, do long time lapses, this may be a product right for you. It's great for your smartphones, anything that you need to, have some power to continue to charge your items. Well, what I'm going to go do is unbox this and head on outside and get some solar energy for free. We have the power bank. As we open up the unit, you get the micro dedicated cable to the power bank. We have here is the power bank itself. As we unwrap it, we have a compass, instructions, the solar panel, a 20,000 milliamp with the sun hitting the power bank and working. It has a keychain strap, a hiking strap that you can hook it to. As we lay it down near the water, it is IP65 rated with all the doors closed. I'll come back a little later when it's fully charged. This is not big, it's not bulky. It's the right size, compact, lightweight. Now, I'm trying to figure out, hey, look at that. That's where the ports are located. USB-C and two USB-A's. Now, if I wanted to charge this up for the first time, I would take the supplied cable, plug into the C, and plug it into the area. Now, on the side here, there's a switch. I'm looking for the on switch, located right over here. And if I long press it, I got light, as you can see. Press it again, I have an SOS. And again, I got flicker. So let's say I'm out riding a bicycle and I forgot to take my bike light. I got something I could be as an emergency, or on the roadside as well. Now, when you run out of power, you need to have something to charge, and this is the unit for you. So let's go get a cable, plug it in, charge up a camera, charge up a cell phone, show you how it works. 20,000 milliamps will give you a long time of power. So you plug it into a port. It's really that simple. It's not a soft plastic on the bottom, but the sides here are soft and they will grip, not the bottom. You plug in your camera. If the camera is going to charge, the light comes on over here and we're getting power to the camera. So if I was out and about in the forest or wherever I need to have power or do extra long time lapses, this would go in the sun like you saw, and this would charge the unit. If I needed to charge with another port, I grab another cable and I grab my smartphone and I grab one of the adapters and I plug in my lightning cable to the smartphone. And I got myself 20,000 milliamps of power. On over here you see the sun, and you got 4 full blue lights telling you how much power you got in the unit. Face it to the sun and you're good to go. It has fast technology. It means it's going to charge your products up extra fast, 2.1 amps per port. And this is a specially dedicated cable. It's not a USB-C, so you're going to need to have the USB micro cable to the actual unit in order to charge it up for the first time. And that is the only thing that this does not have. So I can grab another power bank if I did not have any power to get this thing going. And this would start to charge. And that's what that cable's for. On the go with power, water sailed, IP rated. This lightweight portable charger may be right for you. Hope you enjoy your product if it's the product you are looking for. Smartphones, cameras, anything that requires power.